I'm gonna see if I can ask my spirit guides and my connection to win money on horses. So in this video you will look over my shoulder how I do this, and this whole thing is a little weird. I am here but now you can see me in the mirror and you can see the computer, so that's so hello there. So if you want to learn how I do this, you can check out the link down below. There's some explanation there, and you can also see the results so far on this Ibiza guided project, which is also linked in the description of this YouTube video. So I'm testing, right? Every decision made by the spirit guides or subconscious or whatever it is for 23 days. It's a fun experiment. It's early days, too early to conclude anything. I did try on the horses 2 days ago, and big failure, as I wrote on the results site. I will, however, try again, because I have given it more time and I have used a more clear intention, and we're going to do it for these 3 races. This is a Norwegian site, so I don't know anything about horses. Okay, I just click to pick one winner of each race or whatever it's called, and we'll see if it does or not. So what I did earlier this morning, I sat down and I said my intention. I used the speak up method. I said my intention is that I am receiving help from whoever can help me win these 3 races, and I show the races on the screen. And I ask for this to be in the best interest of all. Thank you. So what I did differently today from 2 days ago was I gave it more time, and I had a more clear intention and to connect to wisdom, I don't know, who can help me. I don't encourage you to gamble your money away. This is just me testing, right? I have no idea if this will work or not. So this whole project is just finding out how much I can trust the guidance and how much I will enjoy following the suggestions. So I kind of were a little more serious about it today, and I will show you how I do this. And in the next video tomorrow, the results of these 3 will be coming in today, but I will record today when I'm sure if we won or not, and I will publish that video tomorrow. So I'm clicking up the first one here. We click on winner, and then we only have to pick 1 horse, and these are the horses. They seems to have strange names all the time, and I don't bet the whole lot. This is in Norwegian crowns. The lowest it's 10 crowns, which is roughly €1, $1. So I'll do that. So this is not for winning. This is just to see if it works, right? So are we okay with going to pick the winners on this? And that's yes. Okay. So here's the trick. When you have a list of things, and you have 7 here, right? The trick is to go 50% for each question. So in this way, you can find the results really fast, even if you have several hundreds of options. Now it's only 7. We could go, is it this, is it this, is it this, is it this? But I find it's better to be faster. The more I leave this line open, the less accurate are the results. In my experience, you might have another experience. So I'll ask, is the winner of this race in the first 4 horses? And also when I use the pendulum and also my arm, I kind of mess it up in the beginning. I kind of go a little bit. So the question is the winning horse in one of the first 4 horses? And I do like this, and I have no idea how it will go now. And now I gotta know. Is it in the last 3? Just to confirm, right? And that's a yes. And then I go, okay, is it number 5? That's a clear yes. I'll double check. Is it number 6? That was also a yes. Is it number 7? That's a no. So I got a yes for 5 and 6. Should we go for both of them? Okay, no, this is hello there. This is new to me. So, but let's do that. Let's 5 and 6. And I also started asking questions like this. On a scale from 1 to 10, which 1 is here and 10 is here, how sure are you that 5 or 6 will win this race? Oh, okay, that's like 7 or something maybe? 5 would be here, so here is maybe 7. Okay, let's do that, and now we'll pay. So now it became €2 because we have 2 horses. Yeah, I don't know if I need to show you. I'll do it exactly the same. Well, you can if you want to, you can watch it. Well, I'm gonna do the same thing. Yeah. Here we have 14 or something. Is the winning horse one of the first 7? That's a yes. Is it from 8 to 14? That's a no. So it's the first 7. Is it between 1 and is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? That's a no. Is it between 4 and 10? No. Is it so? Is it 11, 12, or 14? That's a yes. Is it number 11? Yes. Is it number 12? No. Is it number 14? No. So is 11 the horse you're wanting? Yes. How sure are you on a scale from 1 to 10? Yes, about the same. It's maybe a 7, 6 or 7. So let's go for number 11. That was Da Vinci face. Buy that for the least amount of money, which is now 5 kroner, which is half euro. Do that. I'll do the last one. Which is this one. Winning. We got 16 horses. Is the winning horse here among the 9 first ones? That's a no. Is it between 10 and 16? That's a yes. Is it between 10 and 13? Apologize about the noise. It's building something outside. That's a yes. Is it between 14 and 16? Now it turns into a no. So is it forgetting now? Is it number 9? That's a no. Is it number 10? That's a big yes. Is it number 11? Is it number 11? That's a no. Do you want to go for number... I'll just be faster with this. Do you want to go for number 10? Yeah, that's a big yes. How sure are you that number 10 is the winning horse on a scale from 1 to 10? Oh, it's 4 maybe. Okay, we'll still do number 10 then. And buy that. €1. So that's done. What do you think? You think it'll one or some of them will win? So far it's not looking good about horses. As I said, I failed big time the first time I tried it. I'm trying it now, going a little deeper before I started the video. And if it doesn't work now, I'll stop with the horses. I will continue with the stocks though, because that worked really well in the past. I had a 67% return on my investment, and 93% of the weeks that I did it was profitable. So that's insane numbers, and I have A/B tested it and checking it towards my own without using the method. I'll share with that later in videos. But I also have not used the method and bought some stocks to compare, and those did a lot worse. So I cannot conclude, but it's interesting. It's very, very, very interesting. And I will share later on the method on how I used it to buy stocks. So yeah, feel free to send me a comment if you have thoughts on this, maybe how to improve it. I'm not claiming to have all the answers. I am claiming to test it. So yeah, thanks. And if the horse won, I will let you know tomorrow. It's going live at 4 o'clock Central European time. Okay, bye.